Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot Marketing Hub, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for HubSpot, which is www.hubspot.com. Once on the HubSpot homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your HubSpot account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Keep Me Logged In box. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If your email and password are correct, you will be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your email address and password for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot My Password link. Enter your email address again and click Submit. Check your email for a password reset link from HubSpot. Follow the instructions in the email to set a new password. Once you've reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password. Click the Login button once more. You should now be successfully logged into HubSpot Marketing Hub. Explore the various tools and features available at your fingertips. Now, you are ready to start your marketing journey with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.